Hey guys, this is Lawai, you're watching Roots and Rhymes, and today we're talking about how to aim your recurve bow. So if you're trying to figure out how to shoot your recurve, this video is for you. No BS. This is how I personally shoot and it works. So let's get into it. When I first started shooting, aiming felt like a bit of a mystery. People were throwing around words like instinctive shooting, gap shooting, string walking, and I was like, what is all of that? So I use something called gap shooting. That means I'm consciously aiming. I'm not just feeling it, AKA instinctive shooting. What I do is I look straight down the shaft of my arrow and I use the tip as a reference point. So at a closer distance, the tip of your arrow needs to sit below the target so that your arrow can arc up. For farther distances, the arrow's arc is going to flatten. So the tip of your arrow needs to come closer to your target when you aim. You're gonna wanna probably buy yourself a rangefinder, draw a line at 10 yards, 15 yards, 20 yards. Do the same thing 3 times at those 3 different distances and see where your arrows are landing. And through that kind of experimenting, you're gonna figure out pretty quickly what are your gaps. I've shot thousands of arrows. I've built up a mental map. I know how high or how low to hold the tip of my arrow at different distances. And that's not magic, that's just reps. Listen, some people will tell you, you need to shoot like this, or you're doing it wrong. But if it works for you and you're landing shots and you're confident, then it works. That's all you need. So if this was helpful to you in any way, drop me a like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below, how do you shoot? What is your method? Everybody has their own way of shooting. I hope you find yours. And last but not least, I'll see you in the woods.